I would say like, sorry, I look like I saw a ghost. Uh, Something I'm very bad at dealing with is death. And my mom and dad is old, and my dog is old, and I decided to get today like paintballs for my dog, and I have to help my mom like now with moving to an old age home, and it's like time to grow up. You know, somebody that's over 40 has to say it's time to grow up. You know, like, and you know, my home away from home is gone now, you know, and you know, my mom is almost 80, and so is my dad. My dog is also very old, so which is like the pillars of my life, you know, like so my New Year resolutions is finally stop smoking, and I smoked like very little, like past week maybe 4 cigarettes. It's not too bad. And I have to grow up, you know, and learn to be more, I don't know, better at everything I'm lacking at, you know, because I'm a psychological mess. You know, I can't properly take care of myself. I can't handle money, and that's all stuff I used to do, you know, and I've got various reasons for lacking at it, you know. And those reasons are personal to me, and I have to like get better at it. You know. So yeah, I think so. I have no choice. I don't have a rich family or anything like that. There's nothing I'll gain from anybody's death. It won't make my situation easier or anything. So it's just like pillars of support, you know, like like mom is always there to spill your heart. Dad is always there to give you shit, you know. So everything is dying. Like like if I run into my family and my friends, you know, the ones that's still alive, you know, in a year like this, everybody's dead. Everything is dead except me. Like, and how I survived like all this time, I don't know, you know. How I survived myself, it's a mystery to me. Like tomorrow is New Year's, I'm not gonna party or anything. I'm so past that. I was telling a friend like maybe would have liked to go to a trance party, but man, I have to not party. It's done. You know, like so much safer and better to stay home. I'm so glad I took my dog with, you know. I'm away from home now for what, over a month. And I'm glad I took him with. You know, he wouldn't have survived it. So I'm glad I did that. It's this beautiful hill here. I wish I can capture it some way. I don't know. I just wish there was like peace and camaraderie and exciting new things, you know, like not the boring old freaking war, and like news would have been like about exciting things, you know, like something we've never done before, like not the same old, you know, something new, something where humanity like goes forward and not back, like the same bloody stupid bloody thing, you know. All this money and, you know, and brain power and what do you call it, in my language it's vindingryk, you know, like inventions and stuff, to be something other than like to murder each other, you know. Wouldn't that be nice? I would sacrifice like all the energy God placed in me, like to be alive and stuff, to make my mom and dad and my dog last longer. So I can't do that. And somewhere I'm gonna sit alone, you know. And yeah. So what to do?